In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a message in a Slack group. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you want to open your Slack workspace and find your way over to the specific channel or group chat where the message you want to delete is located. So go ahead and navigate to that channel right now. Whether it's a team channel or a direct message with a colleague, just make sure you can see the conversation clearly. Now that you're in the right spot, take a moment to find the specific message you wish to remove. Once you've found it, hover your mouse cursor over that message. You should see a small menu pop up. This is a helpful little feature Slack has to make message management easier. Next, look for the three dots icon on that menu. It's the More Actions button, and when you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom to find the option that says Delete Message. Go ahead and click on that. After you select Delete Message, a confirmation prompt will pop up on your screen. This is a little safety net to ensure that you really want to go through with deleting this message. Just take a moment to read through the prompt, and if you're sure, click that red Delete button. And just like that, the message will be permanently removed from the conversation. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it can make a big difference, especially if you need to clear up any mistakes or sensitive information you may have accidentally shared. Remember, once you've confirmed the deletion, there's no way to retrieve that message. So make sure you're absolutely certain before you hit that delete button. If you accidentally delete the wrong message, the best you can do is reach out to your team or colleague to clarify or provide the information again. So that covers how to delete a message in a Slack group. The whole process only takes a few seconds, and it can really keep your chat tidy and focused. If you ever find yourself in a position where you need to manage your messages frequently, getting comfortable with these actions can really streamline your workflow. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps I mentioned, feel free to drop a comment below. Also, remember to subscribe and like